Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Colorado. This vehicle is powered by a two-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 2.8-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control. Inside you'll find Sirius satellite radio, security system, trip computer, power windows, power steering, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, panic alarm, cloth seat trim. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.